Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal University School, Day Shift. Dear student, I hope you are well and you look today our lecture number 11 and HW number 10. Okay, and topic is addition. Today I will teach you addition. Okay, today I will teach you two types of addition. The first one is addition with carrying and the second one is without carrying. Okay, look, you see the A number. This is 38 and this is 34. This is 18 by 52. Okay, look, these are the addition with carrying. Okay, and this is addition without carrying. Okay, this is also addition without carrying. Okay, but at first you have to know how can you count your fingers. Okay, look, you see the fingers. You see the fingers. You starting from here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like this way. You see now, you starting from here to here, this is 5. Starting from here to here, this is 5. And starting from here to here, this is 7. I repeat again, starting from here to here, this is 7. If I say 8, where is 8? You starting from 1 or here to here, this is 8. Okay, and starting from here to here, this is 9. You see, this is 9. Okay, look, now you see the A number question. Look, 8 plus 4. You have to add now 8 plus 4. Look, what is 8? This is 8 and you have to add with 4. Look, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means this is the 12. Write here these two. Okay, and you have 1 in your hand. You have 1 in your hand. Look, again you have to add 3 to 3. Okay, 3 to 3. You see, where is 3? Here is 3. Starting from here to here, this is 3. Okay, then 3 plus 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. And you have 1 in your hand. That means 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Okay, don't forget to write the answer. Now write the answer 72. Okay, similarly we have to solve the B number. Look, this is 8 and this is 2. Okay, you see the finger here, starting from here to here, this is 2. Okay, that means 8, 9, 10. That means this is 10. You put here this 0. Okay, you have 1 in your hand. You have 1 in your hand. Look, now 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 equal to what? You know, 1 plus 5 equal to 6. 6 and you have 1 in your hand. This is equal to what? 7. Right here, 7. Okay, now write the answer 7. Okay, dear student, you see 8 plus 2. I repeat again, 8, 9, 10. That means this is the 10. This is the 10. You put here this 0 and you have 1 in your hand. Now count 5 plus 1. You know 5 plus 1, that means 6. And you have 1 in your hand. That means 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. Now I will solve the next number. That means C number. You see the C number question. This is so much easier than for you, I think. This is 3 plus 2. 3, 4, 5. Okay, right. This is addition without carrying. Okay, 3 plus 2, 5. Look, 2 plus 6 or 6 plus 2, same meaning. So 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. Right here, 8. Okay, then you see 7 plus 1. Where is 1? This is 1. 7 plus 1, that means 8. 7, 1, 8. Right here, 8. Okay. Now write the answer 8, 8, 5. Okay. This is so much easier for you. Okay. This is without carrying addition. Okay. 3 plus 2, 5. 6 plus 2, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. Don't forget to write the answer. Now D number. Okay. Look. You see this is 6 and 1. Or 1 or 6. Same. Look. 1 plus 6 or 6 plus 1, same. Look, 6 plus 1 equal to what? 6 plus 1, that means 7. Right here, 7. Okay? Then 5 plus 3 is equal to what? 5, 6, 7, 8. That means right here, 8. Again, 4 plus 2. You count your finger. 4, 5, 6. That means you write here 6. Then 7 plus 3 or 3 plus 7, the same meaning. Okay, 7 plus 3. You count from starting from here. You see this is 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 7 plus 3. 7, 8, 9, 10. There is no number here. So you write here 10. Okay. Then write here answer 1, 0, 6, 8, 7. Okay, I repeat again. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Write here 7. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write here 10. Okay. Don't forget to write the answer. Okay, write the answer. 10687. Okay. Now E number question. You see the E number question. Okay. Look, here is 4 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4 digit. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see 3, 4. 3 plus 4. This is equal to what? 3 plus 4. 3 here. Starting here to here, this is for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here, 7. Okay, then this 3 and this 4. Again count. 3 plus 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here, 7. Similarly, all. This is also 3. This is also 4. So 3 plus 4 also same. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here, 7. Okay, similarly, 3 plus 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means you write here 7. Okay, now you write the answer 7, 7, 7. Okay, that means 7,777. Okay. Dear student, I hope you understood. Now I want to talk with you about our SW. Okay. You see, today our SW number 10. Do addition. A number and B number. You do the addition. Okay. Similarly, like this way. All are addition with carrying. All are addition with carrying. Okay. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood today's discussion. Dear student, your assigned SW is very, very important for you because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get your CT marks and SBA marks. Okay, you have to submit your all SW copies on every Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and you have to collect these HW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these HW copies. Okay, dear student, I think you understood today's discussion and today's topic. You stay safe, you stay well. See you again, inshallah.